Hey guys, welcome to Top Express Reviews. In this video, I'll show you the top 5 best cordless portable vacuum, selected for their strong performance, quick charging, versatile attachments, and effortless portability for modern lifestyles. All the products mentioned are linked in the description below. All right, let's get started. Number 1. Milwaukee Washable Portable Vacuum. The Milwaukee Washable Portable Vacuum is a practical solution for anyone already using Milwaukee batteries and looking for a compact, cordless cleaning tool. Designed as a handheld vacuum compatible with Milwaukee battery systems, this unit offers impressive convenience for home, garage, workshop, and car cleaning. Since it runs on a removable battery platform, you don't have to worry about cords or being limited by outlet locations. That flexibility makes it ideal for quick cleanups, especially in tight spaces like car interiors, stairs, and corners. One of the standout features is the inclusion of 2 washable HEPA filters. This not only helps capture fine dust and allergens, but also reduces long-term maintenance costs because you can rinse and reuse the filters instead of constantly replacing them. For pet owners, the vacuum performs well in picking up loose hair from upholstery and car seats. The suction power is strong enough for everyday debris, like crumbs, sand, and dust, though it may not replace a full-sized vacuum for deep carpet cleaning.
Number 2. ABIR VC205 Portable Vacuum. The ABIR VC205 Portable Vacuum stands out as a powerful and feature-rich cordless vacuum cleaner designed for modern homes. With a maximum suction power of 27,000 PA and advanced cyclonic technology, it delivers strong, consistent airflow that effectively removes dust, debris, and pet hair from floors, carpets, and beds. Its E13 grade HEPA filtration system ensures that even fine particles are captured, making it suitable for households concerned about air quality. One of the most impressive aspects of the ABIR VC205 is its ultra-big touchscreen and smart dust detection system. The LCD display provides real-time information, including dynamic speed bar display and maintenance notifications. When dust is detected, a red ring light appears on the screen, and once the area is clean, it changes to blue. This visual feedback makes cleaning more efficient and targeted. The auto speed control feature further enhances usability by adjusting suction power based on detected dirt levels.
Number 3. Makita 20-volt Portable Vacuum. The Makita 20-volt Portable Vacuum is a compact yet capable cordless cleaning tool designed for home DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike. Weighing only 1.85 kilograms, it is lightweight and easy to maneuver, making it ideal for quick cleanups in workshops, garages, vehicles, and around the house. Powered by a 20-volt battery, this vacuum provides cordless convenience and reliable performance without the hassle of tangled wires. Equipped with a brushless motor, the Makita vacuum delivers efficient suction while maintaining longer motor life and improved energy efficiency compared to traditional brushed motors. Brushless technology also tends to produce less heat and noise, enhancing overall durability and user comfort. Since the battery is included, users can start cleaning immediately without needing to purchase additional components separately. The build quality reflects Makita's strong reputation in power tools, with a sturdy construction suitable for everyday use. It handles dust, wood shavings, small debris, and light dirt effectively, especially in workshop or DIY settings.
Number 4. BALASHOV 400-watt Portable Vacuum. The BALASHOV 400-watt portable vacuum is specifically designed for pet owners who want a cleaner and more stress-free grooming experience at home. Unlike traditional grooming tools that scatter fur everywhere, this grooming vacuum captures up to 99% of pet hair directly into its dust cup while trimming. This dual-function design significantly reduces mess and cleanup time after grooming sessions. One of its strongest advantages is the low noise level. Operating at less than 60 decibels, the vacuum is gentle enough not to scare pets, which is essential for nervous dogs or cats. The high-quality motor ensures stable suction performance while maintaining a calm environment for your furry friend. The 2.5-liter dust box provides ample capacity to collect large amounts of hair, making it suitable even for bigger breeds or heavy shatters. The kit includes 5 proven grooming tools and 4 guard combs, giving pet owners flexibility in trimming and styling. The electric clipper is designed for smooth and efficient cutting, helping deliver professional-like results without visiting a grooming salon.
Number 5. XMSJ UZ565H Pro Portable Vacuum. The XMSJ UZ565H Pro Portable Vacuum is a cordless cleaning solution designed for efficient dry vacuuming in modern homes. With a dust box capacity of 1 to 2 liters, it provides enough space for extended cleaning sessions without frequent emptying. Operating at 110 volts and featuring a powerful 400-watt motor, this vacuum delivers solid suction for everyday dirt, dust, and debris. One of the key highlights of the UZ565H Pro is its CleanSense IQ technology, which intelligently adjusts suction power based on the amount of dirt detected. This ensures optimal cleaning performance while helping to conserve battery life. The multi-flex technology allows the vacuum wand to bend, making it easier to clean under furniture and hard-to-reach areas without straining your back. The PowerFins Plus brush roll enhances deep cleaning performance on carpets and hard floors, effectively lifting embedded dirt and pet hair. It also comes with useful attachments such as a duster, crevice tool, and anti-allergen components to expand its versatility. The bagless dust cup design simplifies maintenance and reduces ongoing costs. And that wraps up the top 5 best cordless portable vacuum. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe to Top Express Reviews, and turn on notifications so you never miss new content. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.